Hey guys, it's me, Raindrop 14 here. Today I'm going to be playing Pony Curve Girls and Unicorns. So, let's just start this. I've been playing once. Let's do survival. I've been playing this app for a while now. It's pretty fun. Oh, look, there's Princess Cadence, Celestia, and Luna. How cute. I'm on survival, so this should be fun, I guess. Oh, I just have to wait for this thing to load. This might take a while. And never mind. Okay, so this is where I currently am. Oh, I have a pickaxe. Oh, I better stay away from that thing. I'm going this way. It's gonna avoid that thing. What is that? Oh, they're just like all of them in the water. Okay. Is that a pony or a deer? I can't quite tell. Hey, there's a person. Maybe they can help me. Oh, there's a cute little dog. Hey! Can you help me? Why did I stop? I can't jump. Okay, I just did. Hello? Doggy. Hello? Okay then. Don't worry, I don't have a weapon. Why does it still say wolf on the screen? Seriously. Stop freaking me out. Oh, hello there. Hello? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Listen, dog. Oh my god! It's Princess Celestia! I'm gonna go right over to her. Princess Celestia, I found you! Woohoo! I found you! I can't believe it! Ugh, these controls. Princess Celestia! Oh my gosh! You're here! You're really here! The Princess, here's Rapunzel and Snow White. Cool. Princess Celestia. Okay. This running is making me tired. Anyway. Hi, Princess Celestia. Why does it say unicorn? Come on, no, wait. Trying to melt. Come on. Yay! I'm riding a pony. Take that. Ha ha. I'm riding a pony. No, I want to buy the fire one. Darn you. Oh god! following me? Oh god. It's still following me. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away from me. No. Oh god, can you help me? Can you kill that crab for me? Thanks. That would be a big help. Okay, I think it stopped following me. I think it stopped following me. Did the crab just stop running? Oh god, it's right there! Yo, princess, you really could just kill that for me? You didn't? You didn't even kill it? That's it. I'm out. Goodbye. I didn't even lose any hearts yet. Boy, lucky me. Avoid that log monster. Oh my gosh, look at the deer, how cute it is! I better keep running. What the name of Celestia was that? Oh my gosh, deer. Hey, deer. Hey, deer. Hey, deer. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. You. The car doesn't know where I went. Take that, Krabby. Woo! Oh my god, they're everywhere. Just gonna avoid them and stay up here. Hey, there's Jasmine. Pinkie Pie! No! You killed Pinkie Pie! Why did you kill Pinkie Pie? I hate. Oh well, at least he's gonna kill crabs. So. Oh god. Great. I need food. Dear, I hate to do this, but I'm going to have to kill you for food. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Just gonna run for the hills. Say it, bye. Oh god. That did not sound good. Oh, I can just dig a hole, crawl into it. Pop. Log monster. I'd better get out of here. And no. Oh god, it's on me now. Run for the hills, girl. I'm running for the hills. Oh god. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. You're too far. Yeah, you can't get me. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm too far away, so good riddance, you pile of logs. Yeah. Oh, look at Chicken. It's so cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. A wall. Huh. Oh my god, is that Applejack? I gotta get this piece of grass. Oh, desert grass. Whatever they call it. Oh my gosh. It is Applejack. Oh, a sheep. I love sheep. Applejack, is that really you? I must say what an honor it is to meet you. I am such a big fan. Hi, Applejack. I don't think they talk much. They really need to get out more. Oh, don't know what that is. This sheep. Come back, sheep. I need food. Good sheep. Alright, let's see what else this survival mode has in store for me. Sorry about that. Well, nothing interesting happened. So I'm just gonna go. Bye everyone, hope you enjoyed this video.